Alright guys, how you doing? Austen Thomson here. I am a hairdresser based right here in Edinburgh, Scotland, and I explore all things to do with hair in the hairdressing industry. So if you're into that, you might want to consider getting subscribed to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at how you can take resistant, stubborn, dark base 5 hair that looks like this, up to a smoky, peachy blonde that looks like this. Alright guys, I want to show you how to lighten hair that's got this old resistant auburn hair and a base 5 stubborn as. Schwarzkopf Blondme Premium Lift 60ml, 6%, 135ml. Lay this thick on the ends where the old tint is first, fold the foil. Take your neck section, keep it quite fine, and repeat. The trick with applying bleach onto hair is to imagine you are icing a cake rather than painting on a tint. You have to saturate the hair with it to get the best result, and keeping your sections relatively fine. I would usually mix my bleach quite specifically 1 part powder to 2 parts developer, but in this case, because the hair is thicker in texture and I want to work as quickly as possible, I mixed it at 1 to 2.25 ratio. And just for the record, I've never actually iced a cake, I just thought that would be a good reference. Develop for 20 minutes on the ends. You need to go back through all these foils, open them out and fill in up to about 1 centimetre to half a centimetre away from the root. Guys, nobody said this was going to be easy. This type of colour does actually take quite a long time, so grab yourself a wee coffee or get somebody else to grab you a coffee. Thank you, Louise, for that. So the colour on the ends, the old tint, that takes the longest, so that's on first. Then this middle section up to 1 centimetre away from the root. As we're doing this section, I'm overlapping onto the end colour and just reapplying so that that's getting as much chance of getting as light as possible. Once you have done that in every single foil, go through the root colour. So underneath we're starting at the sides, and then it should be easy enough to apply in between the foils. Just treat this like pages in a book. You can flip them open, paint it onto the root, get it on there nice and thick. Once this is on, develop it for maybe 40 minutes, 45 minutes. An hour through, I'm spending time always going through and just reapplying, just making sure this is on super thick. Go through each foil, triple check it, reapply on the root if necessary. Develop this until it's a pale yellow, then rinse thoroughly and treat with the Blondme mask. Do your treatment before you do your toner, and this will help to bring your pH of the hair back down to a more acidic state. So for the toner, I want to show you something that is a different take. So we're mixing 9.5 1, 2 parts, 9.5 4 9, 1 part, my favourite toner by the way. Mix with a little squirt of apricot from the Blondme. We go through again, and on the root the same proportions, but we drop the 9.5 1 down to an 8 1, just so that the root has got a little bit more of a shadow in it. Alright guys, so there you have how to colour correct from a resistant old stubborn colour to a cheeky smoky apricot blonde. Thank you for watching the video up until this point. Leave me a wee thumbs up and a comment if you're into that kind of thing, and I'll see you in the next video. Inspire and evolve, guys.